Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reacting to my good friend, Rodriguez video that he just dropped 2 days ago. Now, if you guys don't know, he recorded this at Pismo because he left on Thursday because he was going to spend a couple days at Pismo, so. And the reason why you guys are wondering why it's called fireworks show is because he wasn't able to, do fireworks on 4th of July because he was at the Grizzlies game. And so that's why he did the rest of his fireworks. He did some before, but I think he still had a little bit of some, so he did the rest of them on the beach as well. So we're going to be reacting to this. There's not going to be much to react to because it is just kind of like a short video, like a 5 or 6 minute video. So, yeah, let's get started here.
Ignore that. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be... Oh! 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 We already have a fire going, but we got some fireworks. Let's go.
LOL, bro.
I'd say that was a pretty good one. Let's see what else we got. Wow. Hey, you need to go inside.
Excuse their dogs in the background. And that's another thing. They also had to take their dogs with them because I guess they didn't want to leave their dogs at home by themselves. So that's why they took their dogs with them as well. So, just ignore the dogs in the background.
Happy birthday, Mom. Quiet. Be quiet.
And also, please comment below if you guys have ever done this on the beach before. Do fireworks on the beach. Have you guys ever done fireworks on the beach before? I never have. Please let me know in the comments below if you guys have done fireworks on the beach before. With family or friends.
Oh, there's more. Oh, snap. Oh, wow. That was actually a big one, I must say. Could you please be quiet? Jeez.
There's not really much to watch here. So, I hope you guys appreciate this video.
Oh, what's gonna go on now?
Ooh.
Oh.
Turn the camera, bro. Yeah.
Oh, it looks like we're watching a fireworks show now.
Tell me if you guys have ever done those type of fireworks before. Leave your comment down below.
Alright guys, my dog is not gonna be quiet. Oh!
Whoa.
That was crazy.
Get over here. You're bringing your
I think that's going to be the end there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you all next time in the next video. Bye!
Anyway, that's gonna conclude today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that fat thumbs up. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos I'm gonna be posting. And yeah, until next video, I'll see you guys then. I'll see you guys then. Goodbye.